Nathan.
Kristin.
Intermediate Lindy hop at Cat's Corner. We worked on fast Lindy, so we did an exercise, one-handed swing outs. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. We talked about pushing across the floor. 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, push, triple step. And we did it with a little quarter turn. 6, 7, and a 1, 2, push 3, and 4. And we did it with getting all the way around. 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, and 4. We did it catching our partner. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. To get a good connection. Then we did some fast swingouts. 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back. Triple step, step, triple step. We replaced some of our triple steps with kick steps. For instance, on 3 and 4 of a swing out. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back step, kick step, 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 triple step. Back step, kick step, 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 triple step, back step. We did the kick on 7 and 8. And a triple step, 7, 8. And a triple step on 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and back step, triple step, 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 kick step, back step, triple step, 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 kick step, back step, triple step, 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 kick step, back step. We did kick away swing outs with a kick away on 1, 2, triple step on 3, 4. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can add back the kick on 7. It's like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kick, hold, triple step. We could do the kick away swing out with the kick on 7 and 1 and 3. It's really hard. We're going to try it. This is what happens. 5, 6, 7, and a back step, kick, step, step, kick, 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 step, 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 kick, 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 step, 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 kick, kick, hold, kick, step. So give it a try.
That's fun.
6 counts. Do 2 variations. One little stomp, stomp. Rock, step, triple step, stomp, stomp. Rock, step, triple step, stomp, stomp. Bop. Triple step, stomp, stomp. You can do it independently. You can do different turns. Back, triple step, stomp, stomp. Get noisy with it. We did a little slidey thing on 5 and 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. There's a little bit of footwork and fast Lindy. Enjoy.